Hello friends, in the previous two parts of this video, we have seen few multiple choice questions based on the syllabus of guidance and counseling. In this video, we will see few more questions, multiple choice questions, which will be helpful for you for practice and to score good marks in the exam. So let's see questions one by one. First question is, the child who complains headache after a close eye work is dash, and the options are option A, hearing impaired, option B, visually impaired, option C, orthopedically handicapped, and option D, mentally retarded. And the correct answer is option B, visually impaired. Question 2. According to American Association of Mental Deficiency, morons or feeble-minded children have dash IQ scores. Options are option A, 70 to 90, option B, 50 to 70, option C, 28 to 50, option D, less than 25. And the correct answer is option B, 50 to 70. According to American Association of Mental Deficiency, morons or feeble-minded children have 50 to 70 IQ scores. Question number 3. The child having zero visual acuity is called dash visual impaired. And the options are option A, moderately, option B, mildly, option C, profoundly, option D, severely. And the correct answer is option C, profoundly. The child having zero visual acuity is called profoundly visual impaired. The question is, dash has given 7-point plan in guidance. Options are option A, Alec Roger, option B, Munro Fraser, option C, Rorschach, option D, Rotter. And the correct answer is option A, Alec Roger. Alec Roger has given 7-point plan in guidance. Question number 5. Problems of guidance in school are dash. Options are option A, misconception or negative attitude towards guidance. Option B, parental pressure and peer pressure. Option C, lack of infrastructure. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. What are the problems of guidance in school? There are various problems. All these are problems: misconception or negative attitude towards guidance, parental pressure and peer pressure, and lack of infrastructure. That's why the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Sociometry is a dash method for measuring social relationships. Options are option A, quantitative, option B, qualitative, option C, both A and B, means quantitative as well as qualitative, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is quantitative. Sociometry is a quantitative method for measuring social relationships. Next question. Purpose of sociometry technique is dash. Option A, to learn the structure of a group. Option B, to learn the interaction of the group. Option C, to understand the group dynamics. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So purpose of sociometry technique is to learn the structure of a group, to learn the interaction of the group, to understand the group dynamics. All these are the purposes of sociometry technique. That's why the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Functions of an interview are dash. Option A, to collect new information. Option B, to carry necessary information to the counselee. Option C, to find socially acceptable and personally satisfying alternative for the counselee. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. All these are the functions of an interview. Question number 9. Qualities required in effective counselor are option A, intellectual competence, option B, interpersonal relationship, option C, flexibility, option D, self-awareness, option E, all of the above. And the correct answer is option E, all of the above. Qualities required in effective counselor are intellectual competence, interpersonal relationship, flexibility, self-awareness. All these are the required qualities of an effective counselor. Question number 10. Cooperative, sympathetic, trustworthy, empathetic are the dash qualities of an effective counselor. Option A, intellectual competence. Option B, interpersonal relationship. Option C, personal adjustment. And option D, decision making. And the correct answer is option B, interpersonal relationship. As we know that cooperative, sympathetic, trustworthy, empathetic are the interpersonal relationship qualities of an effective counselor. That's why the correct option is B. Dash are the functions of school counselor. Option A, administer psychological test. Option B, interpret its results. Option C, stimulate students to put in maximum efforts. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Because administer psychological test, interpret its results, and stimulate students to give their maximum efforts, all these are the functions of school counselor. That's why the correct answer is option D. Question number 12. Dash are professional ethics of a counselor. Option A, confidentiality. Option B, tolerance. Option C, voluntary. Option D, objectivity. Option E, all of the above. And the correct answer is option E, all of the above. Because confidentiality, tolerance, voluntary, objectivity, all these are the professional ethics of a counselor. Question number 13. Numerical, descriptive, graphic, rank order, etc. are the types of dash. Option A, rating scale. Option B, cumulative record. Option C, checklist. And option D, sociometry. And the correct answer is option A, rating scale. Numerical, descriptive, graphic, rank order, these all are the types of rating scales. Question number 14. Dash are the errors generally occurs in rating. Option A, generosity error. Option B, halo error. Option C, error of central tendency. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. As we know that generosity error, halo effect or halo error, error of central tendency, all these are the errors generally occurs while rating. Question number 15. High ratings are given in almost all cases. Such an error is called as dash. Options are option A, generosity error. Option B, halo error. Option C, error of central tendency. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is generosity error. High ratings are given in almost all cases. Such an error is called as generosity error. we know that few teachers or few observers have this tendency to give high ratings to all the students or all the observations. That's why this error is called generosity error. So the answer is option A, generosity error. In this way, today we have seen few multiple choice questions which will definitely help you for practice and to score good marks in your exams. But these questions are only for practice. You may have find that there are few questions in which the answer was all of the above and the questions were sequentially arranged. I have framed questions based on topic wise, so you find those in the sequence, but in exam you will not get such sequential questions. They will be jumbled one. These are only for practice. If you feel that these are helpful questions for the preparation of your exam, you can subscribe this channel, so you will get more questions and more videos. Either you can check on the YouTube channel by my name Kavita Padmawar. So you will get informative videos also in which the topics are discussed in detail. So thank you for watching this video and all the best for your exams.